I want to keep my worms fat and happy over the winter time inside the tunnel, middle high tunnel. Start off with a layer of leaf, shredded leaves, cardboard, and more leaf mold. Here you can see the happy little guys on there. Hopefully you can see them. There's one. A couple more here. That's how I keep them fat and happy, healthy over the winter. By the time spring comes for the plant in here again, all this cardboard will be rotted. The worms will all be fat and happy, and a lot of the shredded leaves will be gone too. Thank you.